Today, we will be making yummy homemade giant unicorn gummies.
I can't wait to eat them.
So stay tuned to learn some amazing unicorn facts and to see how they come out. So you will need
2 packets of jelly.
We have red and green jelly. You will also need 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder, 1 cup of water, and the unicorn molds.
A unicorn is a mythical and legendary animal that looks like a beautiful horse with a single horn. Step 1. Pour a half cup of water into a saucepan on a low heat. Step 2. Add in a packet of jelly. The unicorn is the national animal of Scotland. Step 3. Add in 1 tablespoon of the gelatin powder and mix until it's dissolved. Then remove from the heat. Now repeat this process with the second packet of jelly. Did you know that unicorns love eating rainbows? Step 4. Pour your jelly mixture into the unicorn molds using a syringe or dropper. Step 5. Refrigerate until set. This should take about 1 hour. Wow! I love unicorns! Yummy unicorns are so delicious.
Now that was super fun!
And these gummies are so delicious. Yummy!
Well, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes with us. See you next time. Goodbye, little chef.